Hello, it's Tristan here from Invest, and I found a great piece of kit that might help you. If you're anything like me and you're flipping properties, you're turning them around, and you're trying to create a really nice home that someone wants to buy, you need to make sure they're staged. And what I've done, and you can see in a few of my properties, like the one at Highlow Road, which I'll just open up on Rightmove now and show you, is we put a little bit of furniture into the property. So when someone comes to look to buy it at the end, they can get a good feel for what their property is going to feel like, how they've got it set up, and how they can live there. So what I've done is I've done part of it using actual furniture, to which we've gone off and we've hustled, found it in a few different places. We've actually found stuff through Gumtree and found stuff on Facebook and a few different places to bring it together to make it look really nice. But you can also go out and rent and hire these items to put in your place. Or the other bit you could do is go off and buy new stuff. And if you've got a bit of storage, you could store them up, put those items aside so that when it comes to storage, staging a property, you've got that furniture to go. But in this case, we've got a whole 4-bedroom house, and it's going to be a little bit harder to be able to get all that furniture together in the house to make it so everyone can see what the property actually looks like. So what I've done is head off, and I've used both an app and I've taken some photos. So I'm going to head over to Rightmove, show you what we've done with the property, which you can also see in a video that I'm just about to put up online as well, or might already have put up online, so you can see kind of what we've actually done and turned around inside the place. So here's our property. It's a rather nice place, big old driveway, enough space for 2 people to park. And you can see we've got the front of the house here. And we come inside, we've got a really nice kitchen. I'm biased, but hey. And then what we've done, as I said, is we've got some furniture so that you can get a real idea of where the space will be. So you can have your breakfast bar stools right next to that little kitchen area. You've got the dining table slap bang in the middle of the room. And then here we've also included some furniture, so you can see just how big the room is, and we included some nice lighting. But by putting this in, you can get a feel for how you're going to be able to use the living space. And then as you come through, you can see that. But then as it comes to the bedrooms, you see we don't have any furniture in these to be able to show you how big they are or how you might want to use them. So what we've done here is I've recently found this pretty cool but simple little app called Virtual Staging AI. And you're wondering, what on earth is this going to do and how can I do it? So I've already gone off and I've dabbled with a few photos, which you'll be able to see. But I'm going to show you step by step how this actually works. So you take an actual photo of the property. I hope this is going to work for me. And you can flick through, find one that you want to stage and want to make it look nice. I'm trying to see if we've got one that's facing the other direction. And it needs to be a room where it's got, where the photos are completely empty. So I'm going to go, say for example, this one, I've actually already uploaded it. But you would click that to upload it and you choose whatever furniture style that you're looking for, what type of room it is. And I've done that here. So you can then click up, put your original photo in, and then you can choose whatever bedroom type it is, what type of furniture you want, what standard of furniture you want. And then it will then come up and create some generations and renders for those rooms. So you can see here, it's come up with different versions, different layouts. It's even put a little kind of sofa inside the bay window, and it's quite a nice little bit of kit. And the reason I think it's quite a good idea is if you've got somewhere where you've done up a property and people can't visualize what the place is going to look like once it's got furniture in it, and unfortunately you don't have all the furniture to be able to go put in the place, it's quite a good way to be able to give them an idea. I've only just started using this and I found it through Facebook of all places. But if you literally head to a website called virtualstagingai.app, I think if you're anything like me, you should find that really useful to be able to find some opportunities, well, not opportunities, you're going to find some ways of staging and making your property look a little bit better. So hopefully they'll sell even quicker. There you go. Hopefully that's useful. If you've got any comments, drop them in the below. If you like the video, please smash the like button and hopefully subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you later.